Hey guys, this is Christy with High Priestess Intuitive. Today I'm going to be doing Capricorn's weekly love reading for April 18th through the 25th of 2019. Please like and subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit the bell to receive notifications. If this reading resonates with you, please leave me a comment. I'd love to hear it. Also, please note that not everybody is going to connect to this reading. So please take what resonates and leave the rest. My personal reading and information will be in the description below, along with my social media links. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on social media and connect with me. I love hearing from you guys. Okay, I have pre-shuffled the cards already, so let's go ahead and get started. We're doing Capricorn's weekly love reading for April 18th through the 25th of 2019. A lot of cards showing themselves to me, all right? First card we have represents you. That is the King of Swords. Beautiful energy here, okay? Strong, grounded. Definitely take care of yourself, but also can be a bit pushy, a little too much. I definitely know a Capricorn that's that way. The next card that we have is your challenge cards. That is the Fool. New beginnings. See, it's the 0. It's the very first start to something. That's your challenge. The next card that we have is the Other Person. That is the Hierophant. This could be a possible earth sign, or if that doesn't resonate, it can also be somebody who is very highly intuitive, very connected to the divine. Their challenge is the King of Cups in the reverse. Maybe they aren't as structured as you can be, or as you would like a significant other to be. Your guys' United Force card is the 4 of Pentacles in the reverse. This is very guarded, having your guard up. With it being in the reverse, I feel as though maybe you're letting your guard down to this person. You know, you might be afraid of a new beginning, or you might want it so badly that you're afraid of it even happening. It almost scares you. Want it so much, but it almost scares you to death. It looks like this other person has good intentions and is a good person. The bottom of the deck, we have the 4 of Cups. That's isolation. That's not accepting an offer, not wanting to. Let's go ahead and start clarifying some cards. I would like to clarify the King of Swords. This is for Capricorn's weekly love spread, April 18th through the 25th, 2019. Let's clarify the King of Swords. All right. We had the Father of Wands and the Death card in the reverse. I think you're a very, very masculine energy. And I also think that you have overcome something very, very strong that ended up being very meaningful in your life. You really overcome a lot of obstacles, okay? You still have a very young personality, even though, you know, like you you want to have that structure, but it's like you want to work, but you don't want to work just to work. You want to work to play, okay? But there's something that's hurt you. I want to say in the past, there was a death, obviously, internally, intuitively, through the frequency of the divine. There was something that has very, very, very hurt you. You're very hurt by some things that have happened. But I'd see very playful energy here, but masculine. Let's clarify the full card. Clarify the full card for Capricorn, April 18th. We got the Ace of Wands in the reverse and the Nine of Wands in the reverse as well. So with your challenge, I feel like there's just an energy of I feel an energy of being single here, and almost like that being your challenge. You are afraid to be single. You're not looking forward to it. The Knight of Wands is always like blindsided, you know, burdens. Maybe you want a relationship, but at the same time, you are worried about all of the baggage and the burdens that come with a new relationship, per se. Let's go ahead and clarify the Hierophant. This is the other person, okay? Clarify the Hierophant for Capricorn, April 18th through the 25th, 2019. Okay. So 2 cards come out. Mother of Pentacles and the Son of Cups. This person's energy is absolutely over the top amazing. Beautiful person. Outdoorsy, but also very classy. They don't have a lot to offer you, but they do have they do have something to offer you. But you're afraid. You're trying to overcome this 4 of Pentacles. This like, I'm bottled up, leave me alone, everybody don't touch me. You can look, but don't freaking touch me, you know. I feel this energy of you trying to get out of that. You had maybe a past relationship that left you feeling very hurt, and it really just burned you. But if you are talking to somebody or interested in someone, this person has amazingly beautiful energy, and you should definitely drop that ego and try to, you know, let love in, because it's okay to let love in sometimes. Let's go ahead and clarify their challenge card, which was the King of Cups in the reverse. So let's clarify the King of Cups in the reverse for Capricorn, April 18th through the 25th. Father of Swords in the reverse. Well, another card here, Daughter of Pentacles. They're overcoming some challenges in their life, okay, and the end all be all is gonna be beautiful. They're gonna come out fresh and on top of their game, and sorry. They're going to come out on top of their game, fresh. You know, they've got some emotional attachments and things like that. maybe they have some mental, I don't want to say mental disability, but just like maybe they're dealing with depression, or maybe they have like PTSD or something like that. But overall, their energy here is very beautiful. I feel like this is a person you could trust, you could let into your life. You just have to overcome some personal internal challenges that you have going on, okay? Let's go ahead and clarify the United Force card, which is the Four of Pentacles in reverse. Clarify the Four of Pentacles in reverse for Capricorn, please. April 18th through the 25th. Beautiful. Beautiful. Like that. There was a card that showed itself to me. Oh yeah, the Hierophant. Okay. All right. The cards that we got are the Strength card and the Three of Pentacles. This is really beautiful. This is working towards having the strength to work towards this relationship. I think absolutely that this is going to be a beautiful union if you can just let go of your ego, let go of your guard, let it down, and build something, have the strength to build something beautiful with this person. And I think that this is an absolutely beautiful person. I don't see any bad or negative things that wouldn't be worth it. You should just try to let your guard down and build with this relationship. Okay? This is really, really beautiful. It just has to have some internal strength to work itself out. Okay? So that's all I have for you today, Capricorn. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you do want any personal readings, just send me an email. All my information will be in the description below. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.